Where are you going?
I'm going to zoo.
To school.
I'm going to zoo.
What will you do at school?
Play basketball, play basketball, and play with
Oh. That backpack's pretty heavy, huh? Are all your school books in it? What else do you do at school? Do you learn? Why are you walking like that? You're gonna get hurt, babe. What's in your backpack?
Some bars.
What else?
Some books.
School books. What else? Did Mom pack you a lunch for school?
Yep.
What's in your lunch? What's in your lunch? Who do you think your teacher at school is going to be?
A big wheel.
A big... Wait, who is your teacher going to be? Sure, babe. Come here. Wait, who do you think your teacher's gonna be?
T-shirt.
Who?
She's T-shirt.
Do you think she's gonna be nice? What do you think you'll learn at school?
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Think you'll learn how to count? Wait, do you already know how to count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How about, do you know your ABCs?